Friends, welcome to BizStreet. Today I will tell you about consolidated report on integrated wasteland development opportunities in India. This report is prepared by Mr. ML Mantu for his 40 years of experience in integrated wasteland development. And this report has got four parts. The first part talk about vision to develop 1 million hectares of wasteland in India by SS Sujalam Suflam Foundation, which was formed in 2019. The purpose of this foundation is to pool the resources, human resources, technical resources, capital resources for achieving the objective of the country to develop 26 million hectare of wasteland by 2030. The foundation has taken an responsibility to develop 1 million out of the 26 million hectare of the country's target. So second part is distributed ownership model of integrated wasteland project development developed by Mr. ML Mantu for his last 40 years of experience in this subject, including horticulture, agriculture, rural development, watershed development, and smart irrigation resources. Part 3 of the report talks about proof of concept of the project conceived, designed, developed and delivered in Ladakh Farmer and Producer Cooperative Limited, Ladakh in 2500 acres. This is one of the highest altitude project and a concept which got developed. Today, the project has got India's largest plantation of apple and apricot at one place. After 27 different crop trials, 25 crops have been successfully grown in the degraded wasteland of Ladakh, and that too the high value crops like saffron, apple, apricot, layberry, and now the trials are being done on hing with the support of NABARD and support of CSIR, Center of Scientific Industrial Research, Government of India. Part 4 is dedicated to investment and investors. Yes, right now the LFPCL is ready for saffron and hing mass cultivation and seed multiplication in Himachal, and then it will be large scale park will be developed in Ladakh. This report is basically built on the clarion call taken by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, to develop 26 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. The report also contained the presentation made by Mr. Mantu along with some international investors to Prime Minister's office. Now, the report is blessed by the who's who of the agriculture, academia, technologists, and experts. Climate change is a worldwide phenomenon, and the world have to combat to it. So India's contribution by 2030 will be a great thing which we all need to watch out. Smart Rural Enclave. Developing Smart Rural Enclave by 2030. 1000 Smart Rural Enclave can be developed. So this report you can peruse. It talks about how these large projects are conceived and developed with the help of investors. It can develop the farmer's income easily, and the focus is on R&D, zero cost of land, and high value crops. Make in India dream can be fulfilled with co-manufacturing, where the farm and factory has to be nearby. Technology is integral part of SS Sujalam Suflam initiative, and it will remain to create large digital farm and digital agriculture platforms. Fit India is again a world's desire to boost the immunity and develop the community. So this report talks about how various crops diversity can actually help the humanity to boost the immunity. The report also acknowledge and recognize the contribution done by Niti Aayog in terms of putting forth the focus on agriculture in India, New India at the rate 75 report. Current situation of COVID-19 reverse migration has been dealt with corporate social responsibility in Bharat India Jodo. Similarly, this report talks about how bottom of pyramid can be supported with distributed ownership model of integrated wasteland development. Farm to kitchen, farm to fashion, farm to boardroom. You will find the report interesting read. It's a 175-page report with all the models explained in detail with proof of concept with investment opportunity, compliances with the target of the government, and with various initiatives taken on account of community development by the project in toughest terrain of Ladakh, where not a blade of grass, not a single drop of water, but the projects were conceived and they were successfully delivered. So this is the future of India in agripreneurship, agri-tech, and agribusiness. The report talks about how smart irrigation systems can help in developing the water resources. It also talks about bringing the water from the river sources and using it for the community farming and community development. The reports has not ignored the crucial fact that backward integration and forward integration is very, very essential to improve the profitability and prosperity of the farming community, and particularly improving the soil fertility with zero budget farming or zero waste farming, wherein animal husbandry, horticulture, sericulture, and other areas of ancient agriculture are being used with modern science. So this is a perfect combination of how modern science can be used with ancient Indian agricultural practices to develop the resources, to develop the projects, and to absorb the youth of this country into the most dignified profession of agriculture and agripreneurship and agribusiness, where the people of those areas where wasteland or degraded land is available, they can create the waste into best. And this model do not allow any outsider to own the land. So the ownership issue or the dispute related to ownership has been resolved with this unique model, wherein the community work for community and they give the world a better chance of better immunity. This report talks about food processing, freeze drying, and various initiatives which can be taken to develop the agribusiness projects into large massive projects which can work for next 100 200 years without any dispute or disruption. This model is very friendly for investors, for corporates who want to backward integrate, want to do something for society, because the report believe that planet and profit can live together. This is a misnomer. So a lot of myths have been busted in this report. The sources of funds are different. 7 different sources of funds can be used to develop the large projects, including the local farmer, local administration, government grants, subsidies, private investor, institutional investor, and strategic investor at the seed level. The report provides the investor a complete drill down and breakup of the various element of cost and various elements of income, so that they can decide at the early stage investment in agripreneurship and large agri projects in community development model, in distributor ownership model on with. Unit economics has been explained, cash crop value addition has been explained, the proof of concept has been completely detailed out in this report. So you can find this report very interesting if you have interest in agribusiness, agripreneurship, or agri investment. This report is something you should not miss out. The report is available on our website www.lfpcl.com. I am repeating it again, www.lfpcl.com website. This report is available. You can download it, you can read it, you can share it with your team members, friends, and if you want to connect Mr. ML Mantu or myself, feel free to write us an email. We will be happy to answer all your questions. If you have any suggestions, if you have any research already done in these areas, feel free to collaborate. We are open for any kind of a collaboration with like-minded people, because this is something, a very large project we are planning for the whole nation. This is going to benefit everybody, every stakeholder associated in these projects. So if you are want to become strategic investors, if you want to become the service providers, or you want to become the part of the Sujalam Suflam SS Sujalam Suflam Foundation, feel free to connect with us. Write to us with your desire and with your area of expertise, with your area of influence, and we'll be happy to support you. You can get in touch with us. Our email ID, phone number is mentioned, website detail is mentioned. So thank you very much for listening to this podcast, a special session on integrated wasteland development consolidated report. Thank you very much.